one of our EEPROMs installed here. It's at address 0x50, I believe, 0x50. And it's just attached for now for testing. Eventually it's going to get installed up in the head. Probably do that after I stop doing the video. You can see we have some variables on the chest. Now normally when we would turn the machine off, I'm going to unplug the data cable as well so that I can prove it's really reading from its own thing. There's no other devices connected to it. I mean, I guess I could spoof it with a wireless signal, but I'm not doing that. So normally when you would shut him down and it reboots, it would reboot and it would come up with the default variables of 50, 50, and 99. And I'm going to save it real quick, which I can do by clicking the switch back here, because that's how I have it set up right now also for testing. Right? Normally it'll get a shutdown command, and when it gets the shutdown command, it'll save everything before shutting down, and that's what'll trigger it. But for now, I'm just doing it with a switch, so I can check it. So now we're gonna let the numbers drop a little bit. We're at 48 because we're ignoring him. He's all right. He's not mad or nothing. Now it's 47. I think when I saved it, it was like 50, 51 or something like that. And then we're gonna unplug him, and then we'll plug him back in, let him boot, and see what he boots up to. It should be what we saved it at. It should say 50 or 51, and then the 77, and then the 99. This is on minutes again now instead of days, and that's because we've cycled him quite a few times now, so it's not a continuous run. The way this works is it counts up to I don't remember how many minutes are in a day, forget, but when it gets to that, then it transitions from minutes into days, and it starts counting days one by one. Anyway, so we're down to 38. That's a good spot to try it. So we're gonna power him off. We're gonna power him back on. And he's gonna boot. Shaky tonight. And he's where we saved him at, 51, 77, 99. So now we're gonna do this again. We're gonna wait. We're gonna let him drop to 49. We'll do 48. I'm gonna click the switch again, which will save. And then when it starts dropping, we'll reboot him again. And he should boot back into 48, 77, 99 instead of 50, 77, 99, which he did a minute ago. Right? Yeah, good enough. Bang. Hi, Panda. Say hi, kitty. They like to chew on Crash, the cats. It's so annoying. Yeah, so he booted up into 48, 77, 99, which is what we saved him at. So now, one last test we'll do to prove that he is using variables from here is we're gonna unplug the EEPROM. You can see it's unplugged. There's no connection. And now we're going to reboot him again. And because it can't read anything, it should get default values, which means it'll just ping everything at 99. Yep. Just pinged everything at 99. So now we'll unplug him and we'll plug the EEPROM back in.